सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसु पूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। अन्ये अद्यतनी कक्षा वर्तते 11 511th क्लास टुडे। गतकक्षायां 36 श्लोकः अस्माभिः पठितः आसीत्। श्लोकस्य विभिन्नाः अंशाः, केचन अंशाः कृताः सन्ति। अंशेषु व्याकरणांशः, सन्धिः समाप्तः, समासः समाप्तः, कृदन्त पठनं समाप्तं, छन्दः समाप्तं, कोश पठनं इदानीं प्रवर्तते। कोशे तत्र शब्दद्वयमपि तत्र पूर्णतः पठितमस्ति। दहनः इति पदं, तुषारः इति पदं, तृतीयपदम् इन्द्रः इति पदमस्ति खलु श्रीनिवास, दट् इस् थर्ड वर्ड। इन्द्रपदस्य पर्याय पदद्वयं पदत्रयं तत्र त्रीणि पदानि तत्र पठितानि सन्ति अस्माभिः। इन्द्रः, मरुत्वान्, मघवा तावत्पर्यन्तं पठितवन्तः वयम्। अद्य अन्ये तत्र पदे स्तः खलु विडौजाः पाकशासनः इति। एतयोः द्वयोः तत्र लेखनं सञ्जातं, दर्शयतु। यू कैन शो देम। So Indra, Marutwan we have done previously. Vidaujaha. So what is Vidaujaha? You can read, Srinivas. Vavayorabhedat vidam vyapanashilam ojo yasya saha. So there is a grammatical license given there. I have referred to you also earlier. Vavayorabhedaha. There is no difference between the letter V and B. So going by that, bidam or vidam, bidam means vyapana sheelam, vyapana sheelam, that which has a tendency of spreading around. Ojaha, power, balam, yasya saha, the person, one who has all spreading, all pervasive power. Vidaujaha means a person, that is Indra, who has got a all power, pervading power, whose power is everywhere pervading. Vyapanashilam balam yasya saha. Ojaha nama balam tatra. So this is called Vidaujaha or Bidaujaha. Va is given here in the text, Vidaujaha. So Vavayorabhedat, because applying that concession, bidam or bidam, vyapanashilam nama ojaha, ojaha nama balam, yasya saha, vidaujaha. This is sakaranta pullinga. Vidaujaha, vidaujasau, vidaujasaha, tejaha, tejasau, tejasaha, like. So that is how that is. Pakashasana, next one.
Pakam vruttarasura bhrataram
Shasitavan, Maritavan iti. So Pakam, Paka is the name of a Rakshasa who was the brother of Vruttarasura. So Pakam, Vruttarasura Bhrataram Shasitavan Maritavan iti, one who killed the brother of Vruttarasura is called Pakashasana. So Indra killed him, therefore he is called Pakashasana. Now Kulisham.
Kulyate Santanyate Kirtiranena.
Kirtiranena. This is one interpretation. Kulyate nama samtanyate is spread. Kulyate means spread, is spread. Samtanyate, santanyate, kirtihi anena, by which the kirti, fame is enhanced. That is one interpretation. The other one, which I have not written, will write Kulin Parvatan Shyati Pakshachedanam Tanu Karoti iti va. That is Kulisha Vajra. This is the name of the Vajrayudha, which chops the wings of the mountains. Kulin Nama Parvatan Shyati Sho Tanu Karane iti dhatu rasti. Shyati Paksha Chedani. Shati Nama Paksha Shati Tanu Karoti. Paksha Chedena. Parvatanam Pakshayoho Chedanam. Paksha Chedena Tanu Karoti. It trims. Tanu Karana, trimming the wings of the mountains. So Kulisham it is called because Kulin, that is the word here, Parvatan. So in other words, Kulisham is the trimmer of the wings of the mountains. Kulisham means that thunderbolt, what we call Vajrayudha, thunderbolt, which is the trimmer of the mountains' wings. It trims, it cuts. So that is how it is explained. Shyati, this is the Latlakara, Shyati. Sho Tanu Karane, fourth. Okay. Then we have one more word there, Srinivas, for Kulisham. Vajram. Vajram Astri Syat. Now in Napumsakalinga you have Vajram. Vrajati. Yati. You know, Vraja Dhatu. Vraja Gatau. Vrajati. Yati. Na Pratihanyata iti. That means when this Vajra is used by Indra, it goes without any check. Vrajati Yati na Pratihanyate iti, which is not obstructed. Vajra, when thrown or hurled by Indra, it goes without being obstructed, without any obstruction. So Vrajati Yati na Pratihanyata iti. That which goes without any obstruction, that is called Vajram. Then we have Pavihi. Kulisham we have done. Pavihi. This is Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda. Punati Vairamiti. This interpretation, look at it. Punati Vairamiti. Here Punati means in purifying. Vairam, that means here purification means cleaning. Cleaning the enemy. That is destroying the enemy. In that way you have to say. This is a very, what we call, euphemistic way of interpreting. Punati Vairamiti. That means takes revenge or removes the enmity very nicely. Cleanses the enmity, in other words. It cleanses means it uproots the enemy. In other words, Pu Pavane, to purify. Punati, Punite, etc. This is the ninth Gana. Pu Pavane. So that is how Pavihi is explained. Then we have Pakshaha. Pakshati Gaganam Aneneti. Pakshati. Paksha Parigrahe. It takes to the sky. It flies. It takes to the sky because of this. Pakshati Gaganam Anena iti. With this it takes on to the, leaps to the sky. Paksha Parigrahe, to take, to accept, etc. So Paksha is explained that way. Then Garut. What is coming? Garut. Pakshaha Garut. This is Takaranta Pullinga. Girati Gaganam Anena. Same interpretation. Girati Gaganam Anena. Guru Nigarane. That means it literally it means swallowing. But a bird does not swallow the Akasha. It leaps into the same meaning. It goes into the sky. Girati Gaganam Anena iti. Guru Nigarane. Nigarana means swallowing actually. Swallowing in the sense it goes into this space, it goes into the sky. So in that, but we don't take the literal meaning here. Nigarana means swallowing. So Garut is explained like that. Girati gaganam anena iti. So it is called Garut Paksha. What do we say? Because of that it leaps into the sky. Almost the same meaning Paksha and Garut, but different dhatu is used. Chadaha next. What is that? Chadaha, yes, Chadaha. Chadyate anena angam. This is quite good. Chadyate is avriyate, samvriyate otherwise. It is covered. Chadyate anena angam. The body is covered by this. You know, when the bird closes its wings, the body is covered. So, therefore, samvarana. So, to conceal, hide. Guhati nama. So, it is called chadaha. Chadyate, karmani prayoga. Chadyate anena angam shariram iti chadaha. Chada samvarane. Chadayati, chadayati is the latlakara prayoga. Then we have patram. Patati anena. So, patati anena. Now, pata is to fall. There is one dhatu we know. But here, patlru is there. Patlru. Gatau, flying. Patati anena. It flies with this. So, it is called patram. Patram means that which falls also. Patati iti strand, then patram you get. But here is patlru gatau. Different dhatu is there, not pata dhatu, patlru. We will write that. So it flies. Patati anena iti strand, then patram it is become. Then one more is there, patatram. Patantam trayate. Wonderful, this I like. Patantam trayate iti patatram. Just like mantra, shabda. Patantam, shatru pratyanta. Trayate, protects. It protects the falling bird. Imagine bird has no wings. Or it protects. That is how it is derived. Patatram. So it protects the falling bird, of course. So the wing protects the bird from falling. That is how you have to understand that. The wings are such things which protect the bird from falling. So patantam trayati, trai rakshani, trying. So you know that derivation of mantra, mananat trayati iti mantra shabdaha, bhuvaneshu rudaha. So mananat trayati, it protects from your manana, from your anxiety, from your material thought. It's so like that. So I like this, very beautiful. Gayatri. Gayantam trayati iti Gayatri. So trying rakshane, that is there. Palane, protecting and also saving, etc. Then we have what? Tanu saham. Tanu saham. Tanvam rohati. Srinivas. Tanvam rohati. You know, Tanu means Sharira. Now, if you go to the Saptami Vibhakti of Tanu Shabda, there are two forms. Tanvam Tanau. Tanvam Tanau. It is like Dhenu Shabda, you remember? Dhenu, Dhenuhu, Dhenu, Dhenavaha. Dhenum, Dhenu, Dhenuhu. Dhenva, Dhenubhyam, Dhenuvihi. Dhenve, Dhenvai, Dhenubhyam, Dhenubhyaha. Dhenvaha, Dhenvai, you have two forms. Dhenvai, Dhenave, Dhenubhyam, Dhenubhyaha. Then Dhenvaha, Dhenoho. One is like Strilinga Shabda, another is like Pullinga Shabda. Dhenvaha, Dhenvoho, Dhenubhyam, Dhenubhyaha, Dhenvaha, Dhenvoho, Dhenunam. Dhenvam Saptami or Dhenau. Tanvam here. Tanau. Tanvam is one form of Saptami Ekavachana. Tanau is another form. So Tanvam. Now what is the interpretation here? Tanu Saham means Tanvam Ruham. Sorry, Tanu Ruham. Oh, what is here?
Tanu Saham.
No. I think that is a Mistake. Ruham, not Saham. That is Ruham, Srinivas. Sa is Ru. Tanvam rohati, it grows in the body. A wing is grown in the body only. So that is another word is added to that. So tanvam rohati iti tanuruham. Tanvam rohati. Ruha bija janmani pradurbhave etc. meaning is there to rise, to reach. Then we come to the last part of this. Bahalam. Bahalam. Bahun lati. Bahun lati. La adane danecha. Taking and giving. Bahun, it takes and it gives many. What is that? Bahalam, Sandram. Anything, these two words are there. Bahalam. So, la adane. Sandram, anything. Bahalam, Bahulam. These two words are there. I told you, na? Vahalam. Last class I have told you. Vahalam, Bahalam, Bahulam. Bahula, you know the word. Many. So, Bahun lati. It takes many into its fold. It gives many. So, in that sense, Bahalam is there. Or Bahulam also same thing. Sandram. Saha andyate badhyata iti. Adi bandhane. There is a dhatu. Adi bandhane. To bind. Saha andyate badhyate iti. Which means that which is bound together. Which is bound together. Sandram means anything which is together. Bound together. So, Sandram. So, Adi bandhane, to bind, etc. Andati, the dhatu is the andati, andataha, andanti. Adi bandhane, this is bhuvadigana, first conjugation, parasmayapadi. Adi bandhane, andati, andataha, andanti. So, saha andyate, badhyata. So, these are the things we will finish writing, Srinivas. Where we stopped? Kulisham. Kulisham fully not done. Kulyate sandanyate. Kulin, another one. So second interpretation I am writing with red. Kulin, Parvatan, Shyati, Pakshachedhena, Pakshachedhena tanu karoti iti. So alternative interpretation is, now the dhatu here is show tanu karane. This is fourth class Divadigana Parasmaypada. To sharpen, to make thin, to make thin, to sharpen, to thin. Then Pavihi. Punati. Vairamiti. Punati Vairamiti. So here Punati does not mean, as I told, purifies enmity. It purges. There is a word in English, purging. It purges enmity. It cleanses enmity. So I think that's a good word. You can otherwise take takes revenge. Anyways. The dhatu involved here is pu, pavane. Which is first conjugation, A for Atmanepada, to purify. It is also there in ninth conjugation, Ubhayapada, Punati, or Punite. Can I write here? Will be visible. I will write here. Punite. Where is the duster? This duster is hardly visible. Next, Pakshaha. So we are going to the wing. Pakshati. Gagana manena iti. Gagana manena. Okay, I'll split. Iti. Paksha parigrahe. Dhatu is Paksha parigrahe. Which is again Prathama Gana Parasmaypada, to take, to accept literal meanings but can't apply them. Then we move on to Garut. Girati. Same interpretation. Gagana mane neti. Here I am making this only simple. Gagana mane neti. Only the dhatu is different. Gru nigarane. This is sixth class, P for Parasmaypada. Literally meaning to swallow, but don't apply it. Next. What is next, Srinivas? Chadaha. Garut is over, na? Chadaha. Chadyate. Anenangam. Chadyate anena angam. That sandhis, you know, the dhatu is chada samvarane. This is the dhatu. And Dashamagana Ubhayapadi Chadayati और छादयति। What is the next now? Patram. Patram, patatram. Patram. Patati anena. Patatyarena. Now dhatu is this. Patru Gatau. This is Bhuvadigana Parasmaipada. To fly. Next comes Patatram. Patatram. Patantam Trayati. Dhatu is Trai, Train, Rakshani. This is again Bhuvadigana Atmanepadam. Trayati, etc. Protect. We also have Train Palane. Rakshane Palane. Okay, it's okay. Next. Tanuruham. Tanu, but I think a book has one letter different. What is the book? Tanu Saham is given, na? Oh, I am writing with red, na? Let us change. Tanuruham. So, Tanvam Rohati. I have explained already. Tanu Shabda, it is Ukaranta Strilinga Shabda. Please look into the Shabda Manjaris. Ruha, Bija, Janmani. Pradurbhavecha. Pradurbhavecha. This is Bhuvadigana only, first conjugation, verb first gana. To grow, meanings are like this. To grow, to increase. My writing is going bad to worse. To increase, to rise, etc. Rohati, rohataha, rohanti. Then we have Bahalam. Bahun Lati. La ida dhatu adane dane cha. which means to give and take, to take and give, to receive and give, to take, to give. Or one more, Sandram is there. Saha Andyate Andyate nama Badhyata iti. Badhyati, passive forms, badhyata iti. This is also bhuadi, parasmaipadi, to bind. To bind together, etc. So these are, you can read once and it proceeds.
Paksha. Pakshati Gaganamanena Paksha Parigrahe. Make to accept. Garut Virati Gaganamaneneti Guru Nigarane to swallow.
But don't take the literal meaning, I have told you. So it is swallowed.
Chadati Chadaha Chadyate Nena Angam.
The body is
Samvarane. Chadayati Chadayate.
Yeah, it is Uvayapadi. Chadayati.
Patram Patanyane Patatyanena
Chadayati I have written. What you have studied? Chadayati. That is what. Chadayati.
Patram Patatyanena
Patlru Gatau.
Patatram Patantam Trayate Trai Rakshane Tanuruham Tanvam Rohati Roha Bija Janmani
Bija Janmani. Ruha Bija Janmani.
Pradurbhave
Pradurbhave to rise. Yes.
Grow to increase.
To rise.
Bahalam Bahun Lati La Adane Danecha to take to give. Sandram
Saha Andyate
Andyate
Badhyata iti. Badhyate iti. Bound together. So, एवमसा अस्माकं कोशः सुसम्पन्नः जातः इदानीम् अवधेयं किमपि अस्ति श्रीनिवास भावे सति सप्तमी विभक्ति विषये भावे सप्तमी अथवा सति सप्तमी so two ways pitari klesha vivashe sati when the father is in trouble, when the father is helpless being in trouble, klesha vivashe kleshena vivashe sati, when father becomes helpless being in trouble, something happening. So sati saptami takes place, putraha tam atyajat, mainakaha putraha tam atyajat, Himalayam atyajat. When father became helpless being in trouble, son left him. So that is called sati saptami. So very saptami pitari and also in the word klesha vivashe, both are. Bhratari agate sati. Even the word sati is also saptami. The prayoga. When the brother had come, I did not meet him. Bhratari agate sati naham militavan. Or naham aham tatah nirgatavan. Or I left from there, something. Matari gatayam satyam. When mother had gone, something following, some action following. Rame vanam gate sati Dasharatha amriyata. Rame vanam gate sati, when Rama left for the forest, दशरथ डाइड दशरथः अम्रियत मरणं गतवान् कृष्णे राज्यम् आगते सति when Krishna had come to the kingdom kamsah kimapi uktah something so this we have I think we studied this long back kind of recapitulation so abhyasah षड् त्रिंशः Srinivas पदच्छेदं पूरयतु शीघ्रम्
वरं पक्षच्छेदः समद मघवन् मुक्तपुलीश प्रहारैः उद्गच्छद्वहल दहन उद्गार गुरुभिः तुषाराद्रेः सूनोः अहः पितरि क्लेशविवशे न च
असौ सम्पातः पयसि
पयसां पत्युः उचितः
यथा निर्देशं श्लोकात् पदानि ओके अकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथमा एकवचन पदानि अकारांत पुल्लिंग पक्षच्छेदः समाधमगवन् अकारांत पुल्लिंग संपातः श्रीनिवास अन्ते दैट्स ओनली टू उचितः सो पक्षच्छेदः संपातः उचितः इति एतानि त्रीणि अकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथमा एकवचने सन्ति पुंलिंग पदानि तृतीया बहुवचने पदद्वयम् आवश्यकं टू वर्ड्स
समदमघवन् मुक्तपुलिश प्रहारैः
एकम् अनन्तरम् उद्गच्छद् बहल दहनोद्गार गुरुभिः इति तृतीया बहुवचनं दैट्स ओनली टू अनन्तरम् अव्ययानि कति वा सन्ति वरम् इति अव्ययम् एकम् इति द्वितीयं तृतीयं चतुर्थं राइट श्लोकाधारेण रिक्तस्थानपूरणं पक्षच्छेदः वरम् किम् अत्र लेखनीयम् समदमघवन् मुक्तकुलिशप्रहारैरुद्गच्छद्वहलदहनोद्गार गुरुभिः इति एतत् सुदीर्घं समस्तपदम् अत्र लेखनीयम् असौ डैश डैश न उचितः किं न उचितः असौ असौ संपातः पयसि पयसां पत्युः न उचितः असौ संपातः पयसि पयसां पत्युः न उचितः इति तत्र लेखनीयम् तृतीयांशः अत्र संपातः तुषाराद्रेः सूनोः क्लेशविवशेन च असौ संपातः कोष्टकस्तेभ्यः ओके यू पिक अप नो तुषाराद्रेः डैश संपातः सूनोः नॉट धेनोः नॉट भानोः पयसां पत्युः न उचितः पयसि वयसि पयसि मनसि वंडरफुल सो अनेन किं ज्ञायते एतादृश अभ्यासेन श्लोकः पठितः वा न पठितः पयसां पत्युः पयसि न उचितः प्रहारैः वरम् देहच्छेदः वज्रच्छेदः पक्षच्छेदः ओके सिंपल ओनली समीचीनमस्ति प्रहारैः पक्षच्छेदः न वरम् असौ संपातः न उचितः समीचीनम् पितरि क्लेशविवशे सति पयसि संपातः योग्यः असमीचीनम् कि असंबद्ध पितरि क्लेशविवशे सति पयसि संपातः योग्यः वा न अयोग्यः असमीचीनम् इति षष्ठांशः विशेषणानि लेखनम्। विशेषणानि समद मघवन् मुक्त कुलिश प्रहारैः इति पदस्य विशेषणपदं किम् अस्ति श्लोके? उद्गच्छद् इति पठतु।
उद्गच्छद् वहनदहनोद्गार
गुरुभिः इति। This is the adjective for samada maghavan mukta kulisha praharaihi. Pitari iti visheshya padasya visheshanam kim? Klesha vivashe. Pitari klesha vivashe. Sampataha iti padasya visheshanam kim? No. Kevalam ekam visheshanam avashyakam atra. Only one adjective that is used in the poem. Sampataha uchitaha. Uchita shabdasya tatra visheshanatvam. Then vigrahvakya. Samada maghava madena saha vartamanaha iti samadaha. Samasas.
madena saha vartamanaha iti samadaha.
Samadascha asau maghavacha. So Srinivas, that Maghavan Shabda, last class I slightly recalled. Please look into this in Shabda Manjari, those who are having. Nakarantaha Pumlingaha Maghavan Shabdaha. Maghava Maghavano Maghavanaha. Prathama. Maghava Maghavano Maghavanaha. He Maghavan Maghavano Maghavaniti Sambodhane. Dvitiyayam Maghavanam Maghavano Maghonaha. Punarekavanam patami. Maghavanam Maghavano Maghonaha. Dvitiya. Trutiyayam Maghona Maghona Maghavabhyam Maghavabhihi Maghavabhihi Maghona Maghavabhyam Maghavabhihi iti trutiyayam. Chaturthyam Maghone Maghavabhyam repeated, then Maghavabhyaha as usual it comes down. Then Panchami Maghonaha. Dvitiya Bahuvachana and Panchami Ekavachana and Shashti Ekavachana same. Maghonaha Maghonoho Maghonam. Panchamacha. Maghonaha Maghavabhyam Maghavabhyaha. Repeated. Maghonaha Maghobhyam Maghonoho Maghonoho Maghonam Nam Maghonam. Shashti Bahuvachana. Maghoni Saptami Maghoni Maghonoho Maghavasu Maghavasu iti किंचित भिन्न रूपेण तत्र रूपाणि भवन्ति एतानि द्रष्टव्यानि तत्र शब्दमञ्जर्यां सन्ति सर्वे शब्दाः तत्र वर्णिताः सुष्ठु दत्ताः सन्ति कृपया सर्वे क्रीणन्तु शब्दमञ्जरी पुस्तकं यदि भवतां समीपे न विद्यते इदानीं तत्र उपलभ्यते अमेरिकायामपि तत्र उपलभ्यते अमेरिकादेशे भारते ये विद्यमानाः सन्ति छात्राः तेपि अत्र प्राप्तुं शक्नुवन्ति शब्दमञ्जरी इति एकं पुस्तकं धातुमञ्जरी इति अन्यत् पुस्तकं कदाचित् समटाइम्स बोथ द बुक्स द्वे अपि पुस्तके एकस्मिन् पुस्तकरूपेण अपि लभ्यते so separately they may be available or they may be combined in one book. Shabda Manjari and Dhatu Manjari. That is a must for that. So that is one thing. Pakshanam Chedaha Shashti Tatpursha. Vahala Dahanaha. Vahalaschasau, we have read that. Vahalaschasau Dahanascha. Vahala Dahanaha. क्लेशविवशे
क्लेशेन विवशः क्लेशविवशः तृतीयतत्पुरुष तस्मिन्
क्लेशविवशे देन भावे सति सप्तमी विभक्तिम उपयुज्य रूपानि लिखन पितरी so just now we studied na in the back page agate sati pitari agate sati rame gate sati vanam gate sati krishne
राज्यम् आगते सति
there is that Bhagavata Purana Krishne swadhamopagate sati Krishne swadhamopagate swadhama. When Krishna had left for his abode, dham, swadham. So that is Sati Saptami. Bhratari, agate sati, jate sati, anything you can say. Agate sati, jate sati, when brother is born, etc. Or when brother had come, agate sati. Prakriti pratyayu likhata. Which is coming after a very long time. Uchitaha. Prakriti here is Srinivas. Uchiti dhatu. Uch. Samavaye uchati. Fourth class. Ucha plus ta. Uchita. Uch plus ktanta. Ktanta. Sampataha. Samiti upasarga. Pata iti dhatuhu. Then ghai pratyaya is there. Sampataha. Only two are there. Na? Yeah. Then we move on to the Dashama Amshaha Sandhi Karanam Namalekan. Praharairudgachat. Praharairudgachat. Ko Sandhi? Kova Sandhi. Visarga Sandhi. Visargasya Refa. Dahana Udgara. Udgara. Dahanodgara. Kaha Sandhi? Guna Sandhi. A plus U is Guna Sandhi. तुषार अद्रेः सवर्णदीर्घ तत्र त्रयः सन्धयः दत्ताः सन्ति समयः अस्ति वा निमेषद्वयम् एकवारम् एतत् पठतु आगामिनि कक्षायां लिखामः कियत् दूरं पठितुं शक्यते न जानामि पठतु श्लोकस्य सारांशः
तुषाराद्रेः हिमालयस्य सूनोः पुत्रस्य
मैनाकस्य उज्जृम्भमाणः बहुलः भूयिष्ठश्च यो दहनः
अग्निः शिलासंघर्षणजनितवह्निः तस्य उद्गारैः निस्सरणैः गुरुभिः दुस्सहैः समदः
सगर्वः
मघवा इन्द्रः तेन मुक्तः कुलिशः वज्रः तस्य प्रहारैः
आघातैः आघातैः
तुषाराद्रेः हिमालयस्य सूनोः पुत्रस्य पक्षच्छेदः
पक्षकर्तनं वरं प्रियम्
खेदे पितरि जनके हिमालये क्लेशेन
वज्राघात जनित दुःखेन
विवशे
सति
पयसः पत्युः जलनिधेः
पयसि जले
सम्पातः
प्रवेशः न उचितः योग्यः
पर्वतानां पक्षान्
छेत्तुं प्रवृत्तम् इन्द्रं विलोक्य यन्मैनाकः पितरं विपद्गतं विहाय स्वात्मानं ततो गोपयितुं समुद्रे लीयते तत्तस्य नोचितं न उचितं प्रत्युत तदानीं इन्द्रस्य पुरतो पुरतोऽवस्थाय स्वपक्षयोच्छेदनम् अंगीकर्तव्यमासीत् तेन यतः साहाय्यं कर्तुमर्हति इति त्रातुमर्हति.
अर्हति.
Any one thing. It's a very big lengthy one. We'll write it in it. Shubham Bhuyat.